Good evening. Thank
Right.
you for joining
Yeah.
us. Introduce yourself to our viewers and our listeners, please.
You know a DJ that come and representing, you see it, the mixtape genius. Yes, no man.
Mixtape genius. You said mixtape genius. Is it only mixtapes that you do, or you play live as well?
No man, we play live man, we play live man. But you know a lot of people know from the mixtape, you see me? So we just put that title aside that, but we play live because selecting was the first thing before even mixtape, years before mixtape.
Okay, wicked, wicked, wicked. So first I must say welcome to the show because you weren't hearing us on the introduction first, so you're officially hearing us correctly now, right?
Yeah man, clean, clear cut.
Clear cut. Good. That's what we want to hear. You've
Yes.
been doing of like 500 million CDs because everywhere I go, all I can hear is .com. This guy just get annoying to me. I'm like, who is this DJ? How did this journey started?
Alright, you know, say officially I start build CD roughly around 2006 or 7, right off in there, so I start build mixtape officially. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah, because we are say we need something different from the sound system now. We can put the brand new out and the name out there, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and so we try for the mixtape thing and alright, I say it lead to man, we give thanks.
So is it that someone introduced you to doing mixtapes, or you see it and you just learn it on your own? How did you get into it?
You know, so basically me learn it from my own, but you know, we listen from the greats and before we still, but and I like nobody did really show me personally. We just take from what they did already and add my own flavor to it. That's it.
Okay, then cool.
Yeah,
No?
of course. Because what I am more intrigued about is how you get the CD them by YouTube and nobody no block you. Because every time he uploads CD, you are copyright.
This
I'm
video
like,
has been blocked.
I feel like more want to one inform and say, yo, that brother there upload and him now get black and me and get what's
What yo?
talk.
Is a copy wrong, yeah, though.
Yo.
But you what me now, you see?
Yeah.
You see? You the YouTube thing now. I really the distribute. That's why you don't know who have the license for YouTube where you can upload the song. Them see, and the thing about it, a lot of the distributor them, especially locally,
Yeah.
them clear everything. Them you understand? Not everything, but most of them can clear. You see me?
Okay.
Internationally now by chance.
By chance, yeah.
Yeah man, come remember now that me know nobody in a universal or them places. So by chance, so you see something like hip hop today, and probably tomorrow go look fit and it gone.
Yeah.
Okay, so talk about on the street in Jamaica. How do you go by when you're starting out, get your CD out there? Because back when we was growing up, it was DJ Kenny. Then I realized it was a shift of paradigm. When we have DJ Kenny like him get a bit slow, the DJ.com was the next hot sensation, start take over. What was the formula for get everything out there for overtake DJ Kenny? What, you wasn't more technology savvy at that point or something?
Alright, you want me know. You see? It's all about that different sauces still, you know, cause you want me know. Kenny and the rest of man, them cash money and all of them big them up and things, you see me, do them thing and shell it place and but it you know. You see that different sauce that way that come bring to the business brother and them just like
Yeah.
it's just a little difference. They can you know the whole we basically play the same set of song them, you know. Some of we can remix and we can do some different thing.
Basically simple
But
because it's same stuff song.
yeah, but you wanna you have a thing now or you deal with it and you know that little sprinkling and something there?
Sauce, the
Yeah,
country
yeah,
pepper.
The hot pepper, I won't say that. Hot pepper sauce. Hot tool, easy.
Yeah.
That's true because I realized with the mixtape, they're proper hybrid. They're refined,
Yes.
and that says a lot, and it does makes listening to it a lot easier.
Let's speak about hybrid mixtape for a bit. We know a lot of few people in the country do very, very good hybrid mixtape. We're talking about the chromatic, the illusion. So a lot of people do hybrid mixtape where a lot of people would say is better than yours into a sense because obviously it's not a straight mixtape like yours where they mix straight. It's a mixtape where they kind of put in software And it
They
take them
edit a lot in that.
It's a lot of edit to the mixtape. But why don't those mixtape have that traction like what yours have, or that street credit in terms of and wide?
Alright, cause you what me know. It's like when them do that still, you know. You have to understand, you know. Them invest all of what them a do really in a sound system. Right?
Yeah.
So the mixtape is just like a branch to promote the sound, but them now go all out in it like that. Me now, you have to understand, so me invest everything in this mixtape thing.
Yeah.
Time and effort and money. So it's like how we are investing at. Them just do it one half, like every 2 years, you know them do them thing already.
Yeah.
So now like them take it up full on, like what I call them take on them sound system full on and know say these are them bread and butter, them sound system. You saw them angle them sound system? Yes, them not really deal with the mixtape that way. So you never really get that traction there. And then again, that come my baddest too. And that's how I hear.
That coming out again, I saw the cash part.
And
My part that.
Pick up the teacher.
A lot of artists is complaining about say your record sales. A lot of
Yeah.
I know you are not as much booked as a lot of these top DJ in Jamaica. How do you maintain yourself in the mixtape game? Like,
yeah, that's what I was gonna ask.
We're upon a lot of them, man.
Such as
Yeah, man. Yes, we're upon a lot of them, man.
Such as?
Mainly the show them in the countryside. You understand what I say?
Okay.
I remember we go overseas and everything. So
when you say
we don't know it there.
pump up.
Of course. So
Yeah, man. We are saying, man. I remember, you know, we have a package them set up, you know. So you know the thing already.
There's one question I wanted to ask though. Sorry.
Go on.
So for an artist, the process of them producing their music is them sitting writing them lyrics or somebody writing them lyrics. Them going to the studio, record it, mix and master, produce. What is the process of creating a mixtape? How do you come up with your concepts? What inspires you to do different mix tapes and to come out with like products to attract your various listeners? Tell us about that process.
You know, me have to give thanks for that. You see, the sound system culture when I forward through, it teach me a lot. You with the sound system do it teach you where like you have to know what people want, because people now will tell you what they want.
Right.
Me learn that from the sound system culture. So it's like me adapt that and put it in the mixtape
So you have
era.
So is it that you have to watch the crowd and see them reaction to a certain song, or
No, man.
So explain that a little bit more for us.
It's like, as what I'm saying, it's alright. Like that era song, no, I say, yo, John, you know that song, yeah? People them would love it still, you know. You see me? And all the while you connect with that still, but for the most part, we have a connect, because you what, remember a lot of songs will help break, so we can't know what people that really want to hear. You get what I say? In a sense, yeah. So in a building mixtape process, it's like a song with a forward out and you say, yo, John, you know that song you have an energy. Yo, you know me I go build a mixtape or go in that direction there, where it go complement them set a song there.
Okay.
You know them way there?
So like you stay in a one girl section or a bad man section or a okay then. Cool.
You see me?
Cool, man.
Yes.
I think we talk a lot about mixtape a while ago. So can you tell us something about DJ DOTCOM as a person?
As a person, yeah.
Because we don't see you a lot on the socials.
Right, DJ DOTCOM is a family man, you know.
Yeah.
You see me?
7 of them football team you have? That's 7 people that have
Football? No, ninja man. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Scrimmage just stuff here.
Don't do that.
6 aside we play though.
Corner league.
So talk to us about the family lifestyle, what it is, especially during COVID time, because I mean that's a question that we've been asking a lot lately since this is a situation that we're in. What has been happening at home with you and your family? And yeah, talk to us about that.
Yes, cause since the corona and thing, you know, we're mainly the inside, so more interaction with the family. You see me? With my son.
Yeah.
You see me? You don't know the first lady. Big up yourself.
Big up
that she there listening. You know.
Yeah, I know so she your right and you know. I know she yeah.
Alright. You understand?
Assistant.
Yeah, a technical assistant.
Because how it's saying go?
Eh?
Beside every successful man,
Is
beside not behind, you know.
He's a boss lady.
Beside.
He's
That's so we put up the empress, not behind nothing.
He's a
Of
boss
course.
lady.
This side.
Yeah, understand.
Yes.
Of
Yeah.
course.
But in the quarantine, man, we just sit in and interact with the family and just a build beer mixtape, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So you took this
One only
opportunity.
person.
You took this opportunity to do more work.
Yes, because me in-house now more, so me can get to put in more work. You see me? Some different type. Because you know my mates different when it comes to mixtape. Me build some mixtape where people not really expect, you know. You see me? Just like when I build all the country music mixtape or they and people they on a live.
You say you gas them a fire. I mean gas.
Yeah. Come in around joke with Jana still, man. Yeah, man.
So tell me something. As you're a family man, is it that we're going to be seeing DJ.com Junior soon? I mean,
Or juniors.
or juniors.
Listen what me I say. Hold on there.
Bring them in. Bring it in.
Him name, them call him Baby Dot. Baby Dot, them call him. See me, Baby Dot. Baby Dot.
The
Show up,
foot,
baby,
the
that.
foot
Baby,
stop.
baby, that.
Baby,
Yeah.
baby Dot, yeah.
Baby, that's you know.
Baby
Young-
Dot.
Young Dot. Young Dot.
How are you? Yeah. Yes. How are you?
10 years old.
Oh, you're 10. Oh, you're 10. So you really want baby dot. So I
Your
mean,
father start teaching the trade.
has daddy start teaching you how to do DJing and mixtaping as yet?
Not really.
So you know, do you
But
wanna,
sometimes.
sometimes. So is it that you want to go into that field of work, or do it
Not
as a
really,
hobby?
not really think about that yet.
Okay, all right. So you just enjoy your childhood at this point in time, right?
Yeah.
All right then.
All
No,
right, then. Big up yourself, all right?
dog.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. Take care of
At
yourself.
the future bad boy that will go kick out them teeth musically, man.
Yeah.
Young
All right.
Dot, you know.
Young-
Young Dot, you
wait,
know.
no. Baby dot.
Musically.
Baby.
You see me? Baby Dot, yeah.
Yeah.
So
You see me?
now that we are at this stage of decade 2020, because 2020 is just not 7 months so far. It's like a decade so
2020.
far.
What's this here?
Is there anything that we can look forward to? I mean, from DJ.com coming up in the next couple of weeks,
Life
next
after
couple months,
COVID.
life after COVID. That's basically what I'm
Right after, listen, my man. Right after COVID, want to look out in a COVID before COVID done. Right after it done, bridging. Listen, my man. Me no wait on a special time, you know. Yeah, man.
Me have one
Yeah,
more to say to you. Like, I know a lot of people know the name, but they can't tie the face to the mix.
Facts.
2020, when we are gonna see some visual,
Oh yeah.
some
You know-
some video mix, something like that. So
Yeah, man. We are work on that for real. We are gonna work
like,
on.
between the COVID situation, a lot of people been going live,
Yeah.
and we're not really seeing none of that. Or we're not seeing none of your thing them go viral. I don't know if you've been doing it, but you don't surface
Facts.
on my radar.
First lady have to
What?
set up the things, man.
Yeah, cause you what me know. You see, cause even when I go start go live, me not go do it on a regular basis neither too, you know, cause you see you still want exclusive sometime too, you know, you don't want overdo the thing. Cause you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Sometimes when you're too much out there too. Sometimes the people them get the people them get used to you. So sometimes you have to just like you tease them there.
Absence makes the heart fonder. So them say.
You understand what me I say? Yes. But for now, me understand what me I say. Me need more visual out there now.
Yeah, we need to see
Yes,
more.
definitely.
So,
Can't go wrong.
so
Facts.
work fonder one day, and we're looking forward.
Definitely. Mhm.
So yeah. So is there anything you want us to know, or your supporters and your fans to know about DJ.com and the works that you're going to be putting out during COVID, after COVID, post COVID?
Yeah, man, me have to respect and me have to give thanks to the fans them cause me have some fans where a long time them have follow me. You know what I mean? From the time till now. So me have to give thanks and
Well,
And
I will not let them down, man. We not let down the fans. I say them know, man.
Can't
Just a beat them with bad mixtape, man. Just a beat
Are
them.
you name DJ.com?
Yeah, man.
I
Can't
want
do it.
to ask you this, because I only part me can't remember. You did Cartel tell say most of that part in that song? What is he talking to you?
Which
Talking
song?
about you.
Which song?
That
Auntie.
that girl in the cash bad play.
I only part I song, you know. No.
I'm part of Spartan song.
That coming out your girl with. Listen me now. Remember break down the lyrics.
Yes.
That coming out your girl with the cash pad play.
Yeah.
You know, Bridget, you know what man mean? You know what baby in a cash pad?
Me know what? 34. Eh, of course.
So your manager will tell him, say, 34. Anytime that coming out your girl. Not you personally, though. Right. But on me, I said, up on a big man level. No.
Yo,
No,
yeah, listen.
I'm backward people too. Jesus.
no, the conversation now, old man. You don't know. You see from here do the things still, you know. You don't know people that can represent.
Yeah.
You have one effect where me love. I'm gonna hear nobody with it.
Which one?
Go again,
You
man.
do it all the time, you know. Say something like I can't remember. Only it. Ladies and
Is a sampler or is a effect?
It's a sampler, like.
DOTCOM.
that one there.
No, we know that one there, but it's a
one
unique.
one next one in the man. One little sound like.
Wait.
Only no.
Only age.
Anyway, work continue.
Well, I know. Let me say, when you head back a ball, you know,
Which one?
they you're smart. And when you head front, a ball too, them say you're a thinker. But because you're head back and you head front a ball,
No.
you think you're smart.
Well, all in that Migla go to as well.
So that me I tell you.
All in that
So
one.
that's why I can't remember where you
No
Ladies
worry
and
yourself.
gentlemen, this
Alright.
is the perfect example of old
Me I got
age.
turkey.
We're
Yeah.
gonna make them to put it.
Earphones hands.
Be a thing on the go out with, you know. Love the vibe still. Love the energy.
You know, I give thanks for the.
But me didn't want to remember the sample still, you know. Come on, I with some for your talk.
Me I go
You
find
know.
it, man. Me I go list one here mix. I know me I go hear it. I'm
Yeah. Yeah, man. Cool, no, man.
Hold on, me I go find it.
Voila. Give.
Yeah, man. Always have some bad sample for sure, man.
DJ Rick is searching for that specific sample, but in the meantime, can you give us some social media details, please? Where can
Yeah, cause that means yeah.
where
And you know, say yeah, for Instagram,
Yeah.
DJ.com 1876. That's a DJ DOTCOM 1876.
and
Same thing for Twitter.
Twitter, right?
SoundCloud DJ.com Mixtape Genius.
Right.
Yeah.
That are the same thing for Mixcloud and the same thing for AudioMac. And YouTube are just DJ.
So we have a Stir Cloud. We have Mix and
See me?
we have a Stir Cloud, no?
So we have one knock off on Instagram then.
No.
Where, sir?
It.
Hold on, you have two that come up there. Type in DJ.com and say no.
You type in DJ.com 1876 and you can find him.
No, you have one next one up there. Look now.
Alright, may I look.
I know me see one next one.
Hold on. We could just verify it. Let's see if there's a copyright on your.
I must have carbon copy, man.
Carbon copy. That's why I'm
What's that?
type in it and look.
You see a carbon, you have to know one.
You have DJ.com. Oh, you have an official fan page?
Yeah, man. Oh, I thought you say my official fan page, yeah, man.
Okay.
So that's DJ.com _ official page.
Yeah, that the fan page, though, you know.
Stop.
How are you fine?
What?
That one.
You win.
Yo.
Oh yes, you be.
You see that effect there?
He's been.
I hear voice. God no.
He's been
Yeah.
past couple of weeks.
God knows, sir.
Mighty man. That one there.
Mighty.
I hate you.
Yeah, man. I eat and the people that love it, you know, cause
Yeah.
me's a youth. Me try use the thing them way. You don't know. If it's not exclusive, it's like a few people alone that use it, if you notice. You see me?
You want to make sure that you're unique and you stand out.
Yeah.
Stand out.
Yeah. You see me?
Yeah.
You see me some man now, me some man like things like that. You see right now, me play music too. So even though I like it, even me I go beg you if me not go beg you that, cause me know that a year sound.
Yeah.
You know, so I beg me under style though.
No, it's me I go beg you, but me not beg you that one there. You see, me I tell you straight right now, say, me no want.
Party your man.
You see Dragon play music.
Yeah.
And Dragon DJ, and Dragon have something where them sound wicked, but a Dragon sound.
You know, beg me. I true,
You see
you
it?
have to.
Facts.
Some little tough
Cause Dragon has some things. So I mean, know a Dragon, so I film
But you know where
signal, I film trademark that.
Alright.
True.
So,
But you have to, yes, as a DJ, as a DJ, you have to have a trademark. Yo, listen, my man. From you have an impact in the business as a DJ, you have to have a trademark.
You have to
Yeah,
have a
people have to
trademark,
know.
man.
Have to have a trademark. If you don't have a trademark, something missing, brother. If you're an MC, you have to have a trademark talk.
Yeah.
If you're a mixer, you have to have a trademark, either jingle, something. You have to have a trademark.
Of course.
Dream team.
Have it.
Yeah.
Facts.
Of course, brother. Give thanks, you know. Man, you know the conversation nice, you know.
Yeah,
We like the reason, you know. But big up yourself, you know. We know we're gonna do this again, and we're gonna have a little follow up and see what happens.
Yeah, man. Respect and manners, man. I love the vibes and I love the energy and respect to the fans them again, man. You see me?
Yeah.
All the time, man. And we give thanks, man. You see me?
No problem. And we're looking
that-
forward to the rest of the
That
projects
coming-
them that are
bookings
coming.
already, just man, they say man booking McLaren then.
See there.
Oh,
See there.
when I lie, it have. Oh, am I go? Oh, in other bookings I go via Zoom.
No, man.
Zoom party hosted by DJ.
No, listen. So when you finish, you can go on the Facebook page. We're on Facebook as well. So the people who are commenting, they're on the Facebook page watching.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. We give thanks, man.
Go on our Facebook page and follow up the message, and you can see where it is, and you can get in contact. Cause I saw it going on. Work have to go on.
I mean,
Cool, man. We give thanks, brother. I love the vibes and I love the energy, brother.
no
You see me?
problem.
Respect our manners, man. We soon in our place, man. All yourself, man. We soon in our place, too.
No
Alright.
We
worries,
link
brother.
up all our vibes, man.
Go and play that coming and girl and cash back.
Jesus Christ.
Remember that. Respect our manners. Respect our manners.
Big up
Manners.
yourself, DJ.com. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was DJ. Oh, sample go?
DJ and I know what a mighty man.
Mighty man, mighty.
That was DJ.com live out of Jamaica. Live out of Jamaica. I mean, just go and support him. He has been doing a lot of mixtapes.
Yeah.
Mixtape them bad.
At
He bad.
Before we start playing some music, I want a little bit of sus.